the famous quote of Mahatma Gandhiji was, if you want to be the change, that change should be first be brought in ourselves, right? We must be the change that we want to see in the world. So our NSS also establishment was done on the birth sanitary year, that is after that is on the 100th birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, right? That was on 24th September 1969, right? So our NSS also has completed 51 year, right? And on 24th September also we have celebrated it. Now today is the occasion of celebration of Mahatma Gandhi, that is the birth anniversary of our father of nation. And I would like to owe this mic to Tanvi Banda, right? NSS volunteer. She will first recite the bhajan, the famous bhajan of Mahatma Gandhi. So, O to Tanvi. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm a student. Good evening to all. I'm a student of BPharm 5th Sem, Tanvi Banda. On this auspicious occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, I am here to sing one of Gandhiji's favorite bhajans, Vaishnav Janto. This beautiful song was written by Narsim Mehta in the 15th century. I am humbled to be given this opportunity to sing this song. I hope I am able to do justice to it. Sir, could I start with your permission?
Yes, sure, sure.
Okay, thank you, sir. सकल लोक मासहुनि वंदे निंदा न करिए के नीरे वाच कांच मन निश्चल राखी धन धन जननी तेनी रे वैष्णव जन तू तीने कही जे पीड़ पराई जानी रे वैष्णव जन तू तीने कही समदृष्टि ने तृष्णा त्यागी पर स्त्री जेने मातरे जिह बात की असत्य न बोले जिह बात की असत्य न बोले पर दिन नव जाले हाथ रे वैष्णव जन तू तीने कही जे पीड़ पराई जानी रे वैष्णव जन तू तीने कही जे पीड़ पराई जानी रे पर दुखे उपकार करे तुए पर दुखे उपकार करे तुए मन अभिमान दानी रे वैष्णव जन तू तेने कही रे थैंक यू सर
Thank you very much, Tanvi, for your melodious reciting of famous Gandhiji's bhajan, that is Vaishnava Jantu, right? It was a first, and I can say it was a very famous bhajan, right? That people of all over of our country they used to sing it, right? And Bapu used to love this bhajan. Now I would like to invite Bansri, right, to recite another bhajan of Mahatma Gandhi. So to you, Bansri.
Good evening, sir, and respected guests of honors. I'm Shri Gajar of Babar Institute of Pharmacy. I'm here to present a song. Just a second, sir. There's a network issue over here. So am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Tanvi. Bansri.
Sir, I won't be able to switch on my camera. Is it okay?
It's fine. It's okay.
Okay. Gandhiji's second favorite song, Raghupat Raghav. I'm here to present that song. Sir, with your permission.
Yes, sure, sure.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम 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 भज प्यारे तो सीताराम 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 भज प्यारे तो सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम पतित पावन सीताराम पतित पावन सीताराम Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Bansri, again for your melodious version. Right now, I would like to invite Rajvi. Right, she will recite the another version of Mahatma Gandhi. Just wait.
તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી હે કરુણાના કર
Again, sorry for the interruption. Now on beyond of Rajvi, right? I just like to say some. I would just like to sing some bhajan of Mahatma Gandhi, right? As such, I am also a big devotee of Mahatma Gandhiji's, right? I hope that everyone will listen to it, right? So I will start the bhajan from my side. हे करुणा ना करनारा તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી એ કરુણા ન કરનારા તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી मैं पाप કર્યા છે કેવા હું ભૂલ્યો તારી સેવા मैं पाप કર્યા છે કેવા હું ભૂલ્યો તારી સેવા મારી ભૂલો ના ભૂલનારા તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી એ મારી ભૂલો ના ભૂલનારા તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી right so this is the few lines that I have devoted to Mahatma Gandhi right just I would like to invite Rajvi, right? And she will sing on it, right? Just 1 second.
કરુણા ના કરનારા તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી એ સંકટ ના હરનારા તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી હે કરુણા ના કરનારા તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી મેં પાપ કર્યા છે એવા હું ભૂલ્યો તારી સેવા મેં પાપ કર્યા છે એવા હું ભૂલ્યો તારી સેવા મારી ભૂલો ના ભૂલનારા તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી હે કરુણા ના કરનારા તારી કરુણાનો કોઈ પાર નથી હે પરમ કૃપાળુ વહાલા મેં પીધા કૃષ્ણ પ્યાલા હે પરમ
Hello. Suresh, sir, who is next?
Uh, Sir, after this, after Rajvi, I think it's over, sir, right now.
Okay, okay, no problem. We have other program officers also,
Yes,
as well as
sir.
volunteers also.
Yes, sir. So,
You can want to, yes,
yes, sir.
you
Yes,
can
sir.
invite anyone from the current
Yes, sir. Sure,
participant.
sir. Sure, sir. So, I would like to invite, sir. Sorry, sir. I would like to invite Jai Parekh. Right, he is there. He would
Okay,
recite the famous version of Mahatma Gandhi.
yes, surely.
I owe to Jai Parekh. Sorry, sir.
सर वो भजन नहीं है, वो बंदे में था दम, वो सॉन्ग है।
Okay, okay.
हेलो।
Okay, okay.
Go ahead, please go ahead.
Go ahead, please go ahead.
ओके सर, थैंक यू। आजा रे अब आजा, माटी पुकारे पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे, भूले हमरा मेरा दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा, भूले हमरा है हमरा दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम का बेधर धर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। कद था उनका छोटा सा और चटपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के। वंदे में था दम, वंदे वंदे में था दम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे वंदे।
Okay. Now, I would like to, from the PO side, I would like to invite Brunali madam, right, to sing some bhajan, right, to sing some lyrics or from Bapu's famous bhajan, right. So, over to you, Brunali madam. Uh, she is facing some technical issue. She might not have heard it, right? So I would like to now invite Pandya Bhargav, right? Pandya Bhargav, can you hear me? Bhargav?
Hello, sir.
Okay, okay,
Hello.
okay. Say.
Speaking Parma Deepak Suresh. Hello.
See, Bhargav, can you hear me? Now, any program officer or any volunteer who voluntarily want to participate in it?
Sir, my name is Ghanshyam Shah.
Welcome,
I
sir.
would like to recite bhajan of Mahatma Gandhi
Sure,
with
sir.
your due
Sure,
permission.
sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, as you rightly pointed, Mahatma Gandhi was a normal person, but I think these bhajans made him Mahatma and gave him power to become Mahatma, the one he was. So I'll like to recite his famous bhajan, Raghav Raja Ram. And I think this truly describes the country, the way the country is, the way it is bounded into although it is divided into multiple religions, languages, and state, but still it is bounded as a one country. So I'll begin with the bhajan.
Sure, sir.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम 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 भज प्यारे तू सीताराम 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 भज प्यारे तू सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रात को निंदिया दिन को काम कभी भजोगे प्रभु का नाम रात को निंदिया दिन को काम कभी भजोगे प्रभु का नाम करते रहिए अपने काम लेते रहिए हरि का नाम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम थैंक यू वेरी मच
1
जय
hour.
हिंद
Thank you very much, sir, for your melodious song. And in the true terms, it is a dedication to Bapu, that is Mahatma Gandhi, right? So, any other program officer, sir, or any other volunteer
So,
who want to recite the
so
bhajan of
Bhargav Pandit.
Yeah, yeah,
So
Bhargav.
network issues. There was network issues. So, sir, I am going to sing a
Yeah,
little. So,
yeah,
sir, can
sure.
I start?
Yeah, sure, sure. You can start, Bhargav.
दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल आंधी में भी जलती रही गांधी तेरी मसाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल धरती पे लड़ी तूने अजब दब की लड़ाई दागी ना कहीं तोप ना बंदूक चलाई दुश्मन के किले पर भी न की तूने चढ़ाई वारे फकीर खूब करामत दिखाई, चुटकी में दुश्मनों को दिया देश से निकाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। शतरंज बिछा कर यहाँ बैठा था जमाना, लगता था कि मुश्किल है फिरंगी को हराना, टक्कर भी बड़े जोर की दुश्मन ने भी था दाना, पर तू भी था बापू बड़ा उस्ताद पुराना, मारा वो कस के दाव की उल्टी सभी की चाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी।
Thank you very much, Bhargav. And I would like to add one point in it that any delegate from any country, whether it is US president or UK or from any country, whenever he or she will visit Gujarat, definitely for their first visit will be at Gandhiji's ashram, that is Sabarmati ashram. So Sabarmati ashram is having a significant importance in our Ahmedabad, in our Gujarat, and for any other personality, because Gandhiji was a father of our nation, and his ideas transformed and lead to the independence of our country. So now, any other program officer, sir, or any other NSS volunteer would like to recite some few lines, right?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I want to say something.
Yeah, sure, Nandini.
सर जैसे कि ये सॉन्ग है, दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़क बिना डाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। सो सर जैसे कि इसमें ये फर्स्ट लाइन में ही बताया जा रहा है कि दे दी हमें आजादी, मतलब गांधी जी ने आजादी दिलाने में हमें इतना सारा कंट्रीब्यूट किया है ना, उन्होंने कोई बंदूक उठाया, अहिंसा का पाठ हमें पढ़ाया है, अहिंसा नॉन वायलेंस। आज हम देख रहे हैं कि दुनिया मतलब विश्व युद्ध की तरफ प्रयाण कर रहा है। सो आज के मौके पे हमें गांधी जी को याद करके ये सीखना चाहिए कि ये जो वॉर चल रहा है उनको रोक के शांति की तरफ प्रयाण करना चाहिए। अगर हम शांति की तरफ प्रयाण करेंगे तो ये हमारा देश जिस तरह आगे बढ़ेगा उसकी कल्पना ही हम नहीं कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
Thank you very much, Nandini, for your short and brief message right on today's eve. Then other NSS volunteer or any program officer. See, yeah.
કેમ અનમ્યુટ નથી થતું?
Yes, anyone? Oh, sure, madam.
હલો.
Yes, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Manisha, madam.
હા ઓકે સર, એક ભજન ગાવું છે મારે પણ.
Ah, sure, sure, madam.
એક મિનિટ હા સર.
Okay, ma'am.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे मन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे मन सीताराम। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you very much, madam, for your melodious voice. Right. And any other program officer or NSS volunteer?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, દીપકભાઈ બોલું સર.
Sir. Deepak bhai, welcome, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. You would like to sing bhajan? Yes, yes, Deepak bhai.
Yes,
બોલો.
yes.
Okay, sure, sure.
અને ગાંધીજીને જે પ્રિય છે એક ભજન ગાવું છે. હેલો.
Sure, Deepak bhai. Sure, Deepak sir. Okay, okay.
હા, વૈષ્ણવ જન તો તેને રે કહીએ,
Sure, sure, Deepak bhai.
પીડ પરાઈ જાણે રે. તો અ, પ્રસ્તુત કરું સાહેબ તમારી સમક્ષ.
Welcome, welcome. Sure, sure, sir.
વૈષ્ણવ જન તો તેને કહીએ રે, પીડ પરાઈ જાણે રે. વૈષ્ણવ જન તો તેને કહીએ જે, પીડ પરાઈ જાણે રે. પર દુખે ઉપકાર કરે તોય, પર દુખે ઉપકાર કરે તોય, મન અભિમાન ના આણે રે. વૈષ્ણવ જન તો તેને કહીએ, સકલ લોકમાં સહુને વંદે, નિંદા ના કરે કેની રે. સકલ લોકમાં સહુને વંદે, નિંદા ના કરે કેની રે. જાત પાત મને નિશ્ચલ રાખે, જાત પાત મને નિશ્ચલ રાખે, ધન ધન જનની તેની રે. વૈષ્ણવ જન તો તેને કહીએ, મોહ માયા વ્યાપે નહીં જેને, સકલ તીરથ જેના મન મારે. મોહ માયા વ્યાપે નહીં જેને, સકલ તીરથ જેના મન મારે. ભણે નરસૈયો તેનો દર્શન કરતા, ભણે નરસૈયો તેનો દર્શન કરતા, કુળ ઇકોતેર તાર્યા રે. વૈષ્ણવ જન તો તેને કહીએ જે, પીડ પરાઈ જાણે રે. વૈષ્ણવ જન તો તેને કહીએ. હલો.
Thank you very much, Deepak sir.
સર નરસિંહ મહેતાનું ભજન છે, પણ ગાંધીજીને સાહેબ વધારે પ્રિય હતું આ ભજન.
સાચી વાત છે તમારી, દીપકભાઈ, દીપક સર.
એટલે પ્રસ્તુત કર્યું છે આપણે, જેવું આવડે એવું સર.
ના, સરસ, સરસ. દીપકભાઈ, now anyone else? Program officer? Subhash sir? Sure sir.
सर नमस्ते, श्रेयस सर नमस्ते.
नमस्ते सर.
सुभाष सर, एनएसएस प्रोग्राम ऑफिसर. हाँ हाँ नमस्ते. मैं घर पे मेरा बच्चा और दो तीन उसके फ्रेंड है, और हम लोग साथ में मिलके एक हाँ एक मेरा कर्मा का एक सॉन्ग गाना चाहते हैं, अगर इफ यू गिव द परमिशन सर. हेलो.
Sure sir.
ओके ओके. मेरा कर्मा तू, मेरा कर्मा तू, तेरा सब कुछ मैं, मेरा सब कुछ तू. हर कर्म अपना करेंगे, हे वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे हे वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे हे वतन तेरे लिए हर करम अपना करेंगे हे वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे हे वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे हे वतन तेरे लिए तू मेरा कर्मा तू मेरा धर्मा तू मेरा अभिमान है वतन महबूब मेरे तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान है वतन महबूब मेरे तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान है हम जिएंगे और मरेंगे है वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे है वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे है वतन तेरे लिए हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई हम वतन हम नाम है हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई हम वतन हम नाम है जो करे इनको जुदा मतलब नहीं इल्जाम है हम जिएंगे और मरेंगे है वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे है वतन तेरे लिए थैंक यू सर थैंक यू वेरी मच
Thank you very much, sir. Right now it's about only few minutes left to end the meeting. Right, so everyone has actively participated in it. Right, and it's a wonderful time. Right, that we have gathered together. So I'm very much thankful to Alpesh Dafda sir. Right, for inviting me, for giving me permission to organize such a wonderful event. Right, on behalf of Babari Institute of Pharmacy, I am also thankful to all the program officers, right, for devoting their valuable time for this Bhajan Sandhya, right. Apart from that, I am also very much thankful to all the NSS volunteers from different colleges, right, who have actively participated in it. And it's a wonderful time and wonderful evening that we all have gathered together, and everyone had actively participated in it. So it's in a true term, it's an integration of different colleges, and we all remembered Gandhiji on this day. So again, I would like to invite Ms. Dapra sir to say a few words on it.
Thank you very much. Shreya sir, thank you very much for this wonderful evening and the efforts you have given for this. And thanks to all the program officers as well as all the volunteers who have actively participated in this Bhajan Sandhya. Okay, it was a very good, very eternal and peaceful experience. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
we'll conclude our session.